What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking find out I1 and I2. Here we have bars. It's representing it's a phasor value, and also we have V1 V2 have bars. These are also represented as phasor values. Okay, now let's see how to find out I1 I2. Now first of all, here we are dealing with ideal transformers, so there are some relationships we have to know when we deal with ideal transformers. That is V1 bar over N1 is equal to V2 over N2. This bar, because these voltages are in phasor values. Okay, now we have to see whether this is going to be negative or positive. To see that, we have to look at these dots. If the dots are in the opposite, here we have dot in positive, and also we have the dot in the other transformer in negative. So this is going to be minus right here. This one is negative. Okay, if we have both of the dot in the positive, or if we have both of them in the negative, it means it's positive. But if it's both of them are in a different plus and minus, it means this is going to be negative. The relationship is negative. And here we have the turns ratio given 1 to 4. So if N1 is 1 and N2 is 4, so this is going to become V1 bar is equal to negative 1 over 4 V2 bar. Okay, now also we have to know another relationship, that is I1 bar is equal to I2 bar N2. Now to see whether these things are positive, you have to look at the current direction. If you look at the first circuit, that's entering the dot, right? And the second one, it's leaving the dot. If entering and leaving, it means it's positive. If both of them are entering, it's negative. If both of them are exiting, it's negative. But if one of them is entering and one of them is leaving, it means this is positive. Okay, that's the relationship between I1 N1 and I2 N2. Now this is also N1 is 1 right here based on the turns ratio 1, and this one is 4. So this will become I1 bar is equal to 4 I2 bar. Now let's go and apply KCL here. KVL. So if you add, let's go to the first loop, 2 times I1 bar plus V1 bar plus we have this impedance times I1. Impedance is J3 and multiply by I1 bar, and that gives us this voltage source, that is 30 minus J20 voltage. So this is equation number 1, and let's apply for the other loop. So this is for KVL for loop 1. Let's call loop 1. If we apply KVL for loop 2, this will become, here we have I2 going through this 8 ohm resistor, 8 ohm, and also we have J48, negative J48, 8 I2 bar minus J48 times I2, J48 times I2 bar plus V2 bar. Here we don't have a voltage source, so that's equal to 0. Now from this one, if you solve for I1 bar, you will end up with 12 minus J8 ampere, and if you solve for I2 bar, you will end up with 3 minus J2 ampere. And that's the question is asking for. The question is asking for I1 and I2. We found out those things, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn electromechanical system, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.